Xin chào mọi người, Nam Phạm is back and welcome to another video from the IELTS workshop. Trong video ngày hôm nay, mình sẽ cung cấp cho mọi người một số sample answer cho chủ đề Celebrity News trong phần thi IELTS Speaking Part 1 nhé. Let's roll! First question, who is your favorite celebrity in your country? So, among all the celebrities appearing on screen, there's this one exceptional star that has left a great impression in my mind. His name is Q.Long. He is a well-known actor in Vietnam and has starred in many film projects, undertaking numerous roles that require depth and versatility to pull off. In addition, I also really admire him for the humility and his positive influence off-screen. Now, number 2, what kind of celebrity do you often see in the news? Needless to say, celebrity is one of the most eminent groups that are frequently seen in the news. Actors, musicians, and well-known figures in the entertainment industry are often in the spotlight due to their latest movies, awards, and personal lives. Lately, there have also been sites of social media influencers as well, as these individuals have amassed a great deal of followers and success through social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Number 3, do you pay attention to famous people in the news? Normally, media coverage of renowned individuals doesn't have much influence on me, as I don't actively seek out celebrity news, especially if it's about their personal affairs. It is, however, important to me to stay informed about the current events involving influential figures. This could help me to acquire insights into the entertainment industry, as well as understand the impact made by famous individuals through their social endeavors. Number 4, do you believe that news about famous people in the media is true? From my point of view, we should all approach stories of celebrities with a certain level of skepticism, as not everything you read online is credible. While some articles and reports may provide accurate information from reliable news outlets, it is crucial to recognize that some journalists and reporters may sometimes sensationalize and distort the truth in the pursuit of increasing viewership. And lastly, number 5, would you like to be a famous person in the news? Hearing this question, some might contemplate the idea for a while, but I would have to say no right away. Seeking fame and enjoying the limelight may seem appealing at first, but the potential drawbacks and challenges that entail are much more significant. Despite the opportunities, the invasion of private space, loss of genuine relationships, and the feeling of constantly being in the public eye can be quite overwhelming and intrusive for me. And that's all for today guys. Nếu bạn thấy video vừa rồi hay và hữu ích thì đừng quên like, share và subscribe cho kênh của chúng mình để cập nhật thêm những thông tin và kiến thức bổ ích về IELTS nhé. See you guys next time. Ciao.